Continuing with our problem solving, how to answer the exam questions, we're now looking at part B. If the number of teachers and pupils together is 960, find the number of teachers. Here again, the question tests your understanding of ratio. What's a ratio? Well, according to the textbooks, a ratio is a comparison between two similar quantities. So 80.2 compared to this number 1 is to give there's a certain ratio. So in this question, part B, you were asked to find the number of teachers if the number of teachers and pupils together is 960. So let's see how that's done, how to answer that question. You start off by noting the smallest number of teachers and pupils must be 91 plus 5, and we saw how we got 91 and how we got 5. So you add the two ratios, 5 and 91, you get 96. The smallest number of teachers must be that. So if the number of teachers and pupils together is 960, the number of teachers is 960 over 96 multiplied by 5, which gives you 10 multiplied by 5, and the answer is 50. 50. Did you get that? That was straightforward. So this question tested students' understanding of their knowledge of ratios and how you can use ratios to solve certain types of problems.